I'm gonna make a bike kit because I've not done one yet, but this is my bike. It says the Roadster on the front, but it's not really. It's a mongoose complete, which I've just done a load to. Right, start with the bars. These are Federal something grips, I don't know. It's a stock lever, but it's upside down because I gave the other one to someone else. The DK Crazy 8 bars. The cable, yeah, might be a bit long, so it's going to be hard to cut it down. It's an Odyssey linear slit cable. The stem's just a stock one. I've sanded the mongoose bit off the front. The headsets, FSA, says it there. Right, forks are stock as well. The front wheel is stock and I've sprayed it, but the tyres are Federal traction tyre. Seats an eclat complex seat, it's only 23 quid, but yeah. Cranks are stock, but the pedals, metal ones, are diamond back. Sprocket's an affix 25 tooth. The chain's KMT cool chain, but I got it for 7 quid because it was said salt on it. Back wheels are gusset, black dog, and 10 tooth driver. Tyres, Primo V Monster, say it there. And the back brake, the calipers are just tektro ones, and brake pads are Odyssey Slim by 4s. That's about it, I think. Yeah.